Is the flash on? Yes, it is. Okay, so
It is.
there's Phoenix, and would you look at that?
Just look at it.
Just look at it. Phoenix will not start. So Lola and Cheryl and I, crazy girls that we are, have been attempting to get it started. I've talked to Tim on the phone numerous times. We checked the batteries. It's not the batteries. So I'm going to hand the phone over to my darling friend Cheryl. She's going to hold the flashlight and the phone, and we're going to try something. Hi! We're going to try something. So, would you look at that?
Just look at it.
Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. So this is the air, whatever, intake. And so we're going to try something that you should never try unless it is just absolutely necessary.
The last
resort. And it's spraying ether or starter fluid into this and then trying to start it. So I'm going to go get the starter fluid. Would you look at that?
Oh.
Okay. So we went to O'Reilly's and we got the starting fluid. Would you look at that?
Just look at it.
Just look at it, Lola. And so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna shake it up. Ugh. Okay, and Tim said just to give it a little squirt. Ugh. Okay, I squirted it. Now I'm gonna go try to start it. Okay, come on, Cheryl. Cheryl's my videographer now. Do I have the keys? I have the keys. I put it in here. Oh, we gotta put this in a little bit. Okay. Look at that engine.
Just look at it. Look at that, Cheryl.
Would you look at it? Okay.
Look at her. Just look at her.
Okay, I'm gonna try my best to get up in this big ass bitch. Oi! Okay. All right. Now, the moment of truth.
Okay, cross our fingers.
Come on, universe.
Yes,
Come on,
good-
Phoenix, baby
good
girl. You
vibes.
can do it. Okay.
Spray. Give it another spray.
Give it another spray, Lola. Oh my gosh. If this doesn't work, we're going to call a mobile mechanic. Woo! Woo-hoo! Yes!
Fabulous! Would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Just look at it.
Oh, we're giving thanks to the universe.
He's a happy camper now.
Oh.
Yes, thank you, Tim.
Thank you, Tim. Mwah.
Okay. All right, we're done. Oh my gosh, guys, this has been a crazy day. So yes, we got Phoenix started. Thanks to an awful lot of advice and phone calls between Tim and I, and also Cheryl, YouTube Universitying everything. Yeah. So she's still running right now, but I have to tell you how amazing the universe is today. I mean, every day, but today. Cheryl, we got up early. Cheryl took me out to brunch. It was delicious. And we went to Walmart, Home Depot, Costco, Sally's Beauty Supply, because I had to get some hair care products. And we bought everything I need to live in Phoenix for now. We bought like air mattress and a pump for it, a table to put a Coleman cook stove on, bought the Coleman cook stove and some greenies, which are the little bottles you screw on the cook stove. Bought a pot, a saucepan, and then a frying pan, and a couple of utensils. Cheryl had a bunch that she gave me. So basically, oh, I bought a cooler. I bought a good cooler, not a Yeti, because I'm not going to spend a ridiculous amount of money on a name. But I bought a really good cooler. My son had told me which one to buy because he's done some research. Just stuff I know that I need to actually exist. But the one thing I couldn't find was a toilet. And I just cannot do the whole bucket thing. I just can't do it. Number one, because of my IBS. And number two, because it's not very sturdy. And with my MS, I'm just too shaky. I feel like I would be sitting on the bucket doing my business and fall over, and that would be disgustingly messy, right? And I don't have a shower right now. So, yeah, that was not going to happen. But I figured I would just order from Amazon and have it shipped to my next destination, which I'll tell you about in a minute. The same cassette toilet that Rico and I used when we first got on the road, which is a Thetford. So anyway, we come back with all of our booty and we unload it into the house because didn't want to leave it in Phoenix overnight. And because the back door, I don't have a key to it and I can't lock it. So yeah, got to get that fixed. Anyway, guess what Miss Cheryl had in her storage shed outside? Yeah, you guessed it. A Thetford toilet. A Thetford cassette toilet that she had purchased for her camping trips. She'd only purchased it and put it in her shed, basically. So I bought that from her. And so now I have a toilet. I have everything I need to camp. And the universe is just taking care of me left and right. And not only that, but just blessing me with two amazing women, Lola and Cheryl, as new friends. And I promise you, I'm going to drag these girls out with me to camp once I get Phoenix built out to a livable space. Now, the next news, amazing. My dear friend Tim Conley is in Pahrump. He's there with HOWA, Home on Wheels Alliance, and Bob Wells and them doing some stuff. And, oh man, my nose has been so itchy today. I don't know what it is. Something in the air. Anyway, sorry about that. Tim messaged me today and he said, come to Pahrump. I'll give you a pin of where we are. And I've got dozens of people coming to help you build out Phoenix and get her livable, like removing seats and building a bed platform, whatever we need to get it done. And I am ecstatic about that. I'm so blessed. I cannot believe the universe is just opening up so many doors for me. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And I'm grateful beyond belief for all of you out there who have donated, who have shared my GoFundMe. I bought Phoenix with those funds, and I bought the supplies I need to camp with those funds, and I still have a little bit left over to, of course, I've got to register her. I've got to get the insurance on her, which I'm going to call about tomorrow. And but I'll have a little bit after that to build her out somewhat. So I just greatly appreciate all of you donating, all of you that sent money to my PayPal, all of you who shared my GoFundMe link and my PayPal link, and who have just been praying for me and sending good vibes my way. I definitely appreciate it more than you can believe. Okay, guys, I think we're going to go try to have some food. And yeah, it's been a great day. I'm going to really miss these girls when I leave Fresno. All right, check you guys later. Peace.